Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to re-edit Google Maps location. Google Maps lets you edit or modify locations when they're incorrectly listed or need updation. Whether it's a personal address or a business location, you can make changes to ensure your map's data stays accurate and reliable for you and others. And in this video tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through the process step by step to edit a Google Map location. The first step is to open Google Maps and search for the place or address you wish to edit. For example, now if you're using your mobile device, you're gonna have to go and access the My Maps application. Now if you're using a computer like me, you're just gonna go to your web browser and type in maps.google.com. Now once the website appears, you find the location here from, let's select a random location from this map, and here go once you find the location, click on the place name or pin that shows up and scroll down and select suggest and edit here. After you click on select suggest and edit, choose edit the map or change name or other details. You can choose here. You can change all these details. For example, let's click on suggest and edit here, and here you can change the place name, the category, etc., the hours, etc. Now if you need to change the location of the pin, click on the pencil icon near the address or the location on the map and drag it to the correct spot. Alternatively, you can modify the name, hours, and other information for businesses. And once done, click submit and Google will review your edits before it becomes visible to others. Re-editing Google Maps locations is a simple process. This can help keep your map data accurate, whether you need to update your business address or make corrections to a home location. Google Maps gives you the ability to contribute and fix errors. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.